My name is Richard Slater. I am the publisher and chairman of Lancashire Business View magazine. Our day job is communication, so we have multiple channels through which we communicate. We're in print, we're online. The challenge is ensuring that we communicate effectively other people's business challenges and business issues. If I'm being honest, there are a few false starts in our video environment on operating with film and video. And I think partly because we didn't quite understand it to its best effect. But then came the lockdown. And with the lockdown came a change in our business. We had a rolling programme of events that had sponsors with them, and we had speakers lined up. Do we stop doing this? We can't do live events. Or do we convert what we're doing into a new environment where other people can join us? Good morning to you all, wherever you are. I'm Richard Slater, and I'm delighted to welcome you all to this event, presenting associate. We spoke with Bigtank, outlined what we had as a challenge and our issue. Then we did live conferences that had speakers from 4 different continents contributing to that conversation. And I think the peak audience we had was a couple of thousand for one of the events we did as a live audience. We could not have done that away from the video environment. And that's been led by the people that we work with at Bigtank. It helped us deliver against all our promises. Working with Bigtank is collaborative. It starts off with an idea. It's objectives driven rather than pretty picture driven. And I think if you've ever wondered, can it work for you? Give it a try. Give them a ring. Ask them. Maybe say to them, I'll tell you what our problems are. We're struggling with staff recruitment or retention, or I need to sell more stuff. If you explain that to the fine people at Bigtank, they'll get it. I honestly feel as though Bigtank's part of us. It's changed our business for the better. Let Bigtank help you understand your objectives. Let them convert those objectives into something that's visual. That's how you'll get the best out of working on video, and that's why I'd work with Bigtank, because they get that.